All right. Come.
Father. Still, that's it. That's it.
Please, we give you prayer. Right. Number one, pray. Gentlemen. Can you come and help, brother? Can I have some gentlemen help us, young guys? Come, get your come.
Amen. Thank the Lord.
Ma?
Are you wearing suits? Are you wearing suits? Are you wearing suits? Huh? It's a suit. Yeah.
Serious, Ma? Thank you.
What should bless you?
A suit.
What size?
I can also. You will be.
We can just.
Ma? My sister God blessed me with 100 rand.
The lady has a testimony. Tell the people. People are watching. Tell them what happened to you.
I really want to say thank you to Pastor Leon. He's such a powerful man of God. Last time he came to pray for my legs and another lady, but I also got better. I am not having no problem with my knees. And I pray that Pastor Leon...
You had fibrosis.
Fibrosis. I still have, but it's fine. It's healing. But I'm praying that Pastor Leon is going to pray upon me and you, brother. I've given you something for